The Election Commission of India did not announce the election dates for Maharashtra on Friday, despite Eknath Shinde-led government's tenure being set to end on the 26th of November. Now, owing to this, NCP SP Chief Sharad Pawar hit out at the Prime Minister over the idea of one nation, one election, stating, and I quote, "In his speech from the Red Fort, the Prime Minister put forward the idea of simultaneous elections in the entire country. Elections for Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana were announced, but elections for Jharkhand and Maharashtra were not announced. Hence, there is no truth in what the Prime Minister says." Now, that was the quote of Sharad Pawar, but the Chief Election Commissioner has hinted that the Maharashtra elections may be held after Diwali. 288 members of the Assembly will be elected during these elections.
The Election Commission of India not announcing the Maharashtra elections means that they are giving more time to the BJP-led Mahayuti to lure people with their fake schemes, yojnas and freebies. They know that they have lost the elections and the people of Maharashtra have rejected them in the Lok Sabha. This gives them time to announce more schemes and fool the people of Maharashtra. The people of Maharashtra are wise. They gave a drubbing to the Mahayuti in the Lok Sabha elections, and in the forthcoming Vidhan Sabha elections also, they will make sure that the Mahayuti does not win.
आयोग ने जो निर्णय लिया घोषित किया प्रोग्राम, हरियाणा के साथ में हमेशा महाराष्ट्र का चुनाव होता था। यह आपने पिछले बार में देखा है। ये दो केवल जम्मू कश्मीर और हरियाणा का ही चुनाव डिक्लेयर किया गया। जहाँ चुनाव नहीं हुए लोकल बॉडीज में, जहाँ पे नगर पंचायत हो, नगर परिषद हो, कॉर्पोरेशन हो, जेडपी और पंचायत समितियों में चुनाव न लेकर इन्होंने जो संवैधानिक पद पर काम करने का अधिकार बहुजनों को था, उसको भी छीनने का काम 2.5 साल में किया है। चुनाव को प्रोलान करते हुए आगे ढकलने का काम किया है और ये भी असेंबली उसी के माध्यम से आगे ढकल के सत्ता की कुर्सी उभारते वक्त अपने फेवर में जब तक वातावरण नहीं होगा तब तक चुनाव नहीं करने का ऐसी मंशा इस सरकार की दिखती है।
महाराष्ट्र सरकार का जो कार्यकाल है वो 26 नवंबर को खत्म हो रहा है और इलेक्शन कमीशन जो उनका इलेक्शन का निर्णय है या डेट है वो कुछ दिनों में तय करने वाली है। मुझे लगता है कि उद्धव ठाकरे के जो गुट है और खासकर आदित्य ठाकरे जी जो है उनको धीरज रखना चाहिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन पर भरोसा रखना चाहिए। अब तक तो जो दिखाई दिया है कि उनको ना इलेक्शन कमीशन पे भरोसा है, ना ईवीएम पे भरोसा है, ना सम्मानीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट पर भरोसा है, ना महाराष्ट्र की जनता पर भरोसा है।
Crossing over to my colleague Abhishek, who's been tracking the developments here. Abhishek, we've just spoken about the politics when it comes to the lack of an announcement from the Election Commission side for the dates in the Maharashtra elections. Let's talk about what's been hinted at by the Chief Election Commissioner. Apparently, he did hint at the fact that the Maharashtra elections might be held after Diwali itself. Tell us more about that aspect.
See, definitely, it has been from past we have seen that, along with the Haryana elections that have been announced together, Maharashtra elections are also been announced. But at this time, Election Commission has announced the elections for Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana, and they have not announced it for Maharashtra. And they have cited the reasons that the surveys or the respective visit of the delegation of Election Commission is yet pending in the state of Maharashtra. But at the same time, this has been picked up as a political point, and heated debate is going on in the Maharashtra, where opposition is alleging that Election Commission, at the behest of the central government and Mahayuti government in the state, has taken this decision, and they are allowing Mahayuti government to go carry on certain important schemes in Maharashtra before the assembly polls to get the votes of the people. And as the setback in Lok Sabha polls, this is being done so that Mahayuti's vote share or they can improve in the upcoming assembly. These are the allegations being leveled, and most importantly, Sharad Pawar pointed out that at one end, Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks about one nation, one election, but he is able to conduct the election simultaneously for Maharashtra along with Haryana, and it is clearly visible after this announcement by Election Commission. So definitely at one side we see Mahayuti defending the fact that Election Commission is a totally independent body and they will announce the election at the right time. But at the same time, Mahavikas Aghadi, the opposition, are leveling allegations of favoritism to the Election Commission that for delaying the election in the state of Maharashtra.